In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add robot voice effect to text in CapCut PC. If you want an automated robotic voice to read your text, captions, or title cards out loud in your video, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. CapCut PC has a built-in text-to-speech feature, so you can type your message, choose a robotic-style voice, and turn it into audio directly on your timeline without needing any extra software. To get started, first add your text. Move your cursor to the top left navigation menu and click on Text. From there, find Default Text and drag it down onto track lane 2, just above your footage. Placing the text above your video makes it easy to line up what viewers see with what they hear. Once the text layer is on the timeline, go over to the top right Properties panel and type in the phrase or caption you want the robot voice to read aloud. Make sure your wording is exactly how you want it, because the generated voice will follow the text you enter. Next, generate the robot voice. Click on your text layer so it stays selected. In the same top right Properties panel, open the Text-to-Speech tab drawer. This is where CapCut lets you turn your text into spoken audio using different voice styles. Scroll through the available voice categories until you find a robotic voice preset, such as Robot or Trickster. These presets give your text that artificial, machine-like sound, which works well for tech videos, futuristic edits, comedic moments, or stylized captions. Once you've chosen the voice you want, create the audio by clicking the blue Start Reading button in the bottom right area of the panel. CapCut will instantly convert your written text into a separate audio clip and place it directly on your timeline, aligned with the text layer. That automatic placement saves time and helps keep everything synchronized. Now you can preview the result. Press the spacebar to play back your video and listen to how the robot voice reads your text out loud. If the pacing or pronunciation sounds off, the easiest fix is usually to adjust the text itself and regenerate the voice. Small changes in wording or punctuation can make a big difference in how natural the delivery sounds, even with a robotic effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a robot voice effect to text in CapCut PC, and your text is now ready to speak directly to your audience.